Hey everybody, how's it going today? We're gonna find out what's inside this tape measure today. Let's see what's in here. It looks like this tape measure really can't be opened without a screw. Alright, it looks like I get this guy unscrewed. The only problem, I really can't break into it unless we can get open with a hammer. Okay, this is what's inside the tape measure. Obviously, I'm gonna have to cut it open still. But this is what it looks like. You can see probably the inside of this tape measure, and you can see what holds this tape measure is the screw. And right here is where you see all the measurements for this tape measure. now cut open, you can see the circular rotation of what the tape measure can come out with. And here's the button that holds the tape measure when it comes out. So yeah, this is what holds the tape measure and what's inside. So this is what's inside tape measure. So if you liked today's video, please like the like button, or if you have any comments, please let me know. Or you can subscribe now today. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.